Any of them.
I'm putting them first.
Yeah, how many?
These don't look like they usually do.
You have to see how many you can fit in your mouth at once.
No, I'll throw up. Just sour makes me throw up.
Just do it, Brittany.
This hurts my jaw. Pass it out.
No.
All the first is gone now. That was the worst experience of my life. I have to go to church tomorrow. I like church, but I just don't want to get up early. I want to eat these all night.
My stomach hurts from laughing so much.
This isn't that funny. Yes, it is.
Just, you'll watch the video later.
I didn't eat a red one yet. Is this what childbirth feels like? 'Cause I really hope it hurts this bad. It's hurting my face. No, it doesn't hurt my vagina, but it hurts my mouth really bad.
Brittany, I just got that on video.
Just don't show it to anybody. This is for our personal. Just don't show it to your parents.
Should I split this up into 2 parts?
This is the worst one. Guys, look at how many I have. Maddie.
If you take multiple of them at the same time, they won't be as bad.
I had 3 in my mouth. Right at the same time.
Yeah, they won't be as bad.
Brittany, the last time I played with... Do you put it on the tip of my tongue so it'll be extra sour?
Yeah.
Brittany, the last time I played with one of mine was December 21st and it still has 100% of food left.
Abby, why are you talking about webkins when we're doing a video?